Alright guys, I'm just going to do a quick wrap-up video on these whip lights. These are made by Kemimoto, and we've gotten quite a few products from them for all the different brand names, for Polaris, Can-Am, Yamaha, and they've all been excellent quality, and these whip lights are no different. They're easy to install. We bought these brackets aftermarket. They actually do sell brackets, but they didn't have any in stock when we got the lights, so my brother ended up getting these aftermarket. They're made by Axia. They fit nice. You can change the angle on those too, but these are actually quick disconnect as well. So when you're not using the whip lights, or if you want to pull them into a garage or into you know, a camper or something like that, you can just lift up on this piece here and the thing pops off, and then you disconnect the wire here, just spin it off and pull it off. These will actually lay in the bed of this machine here. These are 5-foot whip lights, and they actually have a ton of modes. There's 32 brightness levels on here. I'll post some night video of the lights as well, where we kind of went through what they look like at night and all the different colors and modes and everything you can do with them. And they also have 366 modes, so different things, you know, that you can stack the lights, or you can have them flash, or just a ton of different options. It comes with a little remote. Let's see if he has it up here. So it comes with this little remote here, so you can actually turn them on and off with this remote. We went ahead and put a whip light rocker switch in, just so you could turn them on and off that way. He just leaves it on with the remote, and then we control it with the rocker switch. So just another way. We hooked it up to the Keon power. We actually put a power bank behind his center console there, because he put a couple other accessories in, and we grounded them, obviously. The wire harness, it was plenty long to get to the front. There's probably another 3 feet or so of wire available if the machine was bigger. Could have gone a little bit farther back, or if maybe we wanted to put the whip lights back here. He only had one hole. There's not another hole on the other side. So I had 4-foot lights before that I put on my Arctic a few years back, and those were chintzy compared to these. I'm telling you, these are nice. I mean, as soon as we took them out of the package, we knew they were going to be nice quality. They're very bendable, you know, in case you hit trees or anything. You have to worry about damaging them. I imagine they can take quite a bit of abuse. They're not warped. Nice and straight. And like I said, I'll post some night videos of them. I didn't do an install video just because it's so easy. You just run the wire up to the power source. And every machine is different, so even if I posted an install video on this machine, it's not going to be the same as what you guys might put on yours, or you might have a different machine, obviously. So I'm actually considering putting these lights, getting another set of these and putting them on the X3 we just got. Not sure yet. We'll see farther down the road, but like I said, easy install, excellent quality. You won't be disappointed in these lights. I'd say run out and grab them if you can find them available. But all right, we'll check in later. Thanks, guys.